Live Classroom allows you to engage with students better by monitoring their progress and status in real time. At a glance, you can see which students are online, offline, struggling, not progressing, and how many questions have been answered in the last 90 minutes. Click a tab to filter students by their current status. Click the Active tab again to return to the default view. You can see what activity your students are doing and how well they are doing it. Student performance on each question is shown via a traffic light system, where green is correctly answered, yellow is correct after multiple attempts, and red is incorrect. If a student is struggling, you can see how many questions they have answered incorrectly recently. If a student is not progressing, you can see how long since they last answered a question. Each student card has several shortcuts allowing you to view their performance and progress reports, edit their details, or download their login cards. You can also help a student log in quickly